This is lignite, one of our most valuable resources. It's a natural fuel source that is found in concentrated pockets throughout the world, yet very prevalent right here in the United States. Hi, I'm John. I'm here at North American Coal Corporation's Red Hills mine near Ackerman, Mississippi. Thanks for taking the time to learn about how lignite is mined, how lands are reclaimed, and how all of this is done in an environmentally friendly manner with a sincere dedication to employee safety.
Simply put, our total mining process is that we take the top dirt off, topsoil, if you will, and move it around the pit and put it back on the top where we have previously mined. That gets us down to our first seam of coal. We remove that first seam of coal, take it to the power plant. Secondly, we remove the dirt from the next seam of coal, which we call interburden, and we push the dirt over into the pit. And we do that for the next 3 seams. As we do that, we're filling in the pit from previously mined out areas, and we get to the next seam of coal.
You know, John, mining the lignite is only the start of the process. What we want for the end result is successful reclamation. Prior to the passage of the Surface Mining Control Act in 1977, there were no real hard regulations on mine reclamation.
Here at the Red Hills mine, we're required by law to return the environment to conditions better than we found it. But we're not just concerned about the law aspect, we are concerned from a moral obligation to preserve the quality in the environment, because at the end of the day, we all live here too.
The sediment ponds we use here are used for essentially mine site water filters. All the runoff that comes onto the mine drains into one of these ponds. We check it for different parameters that are required by law, then we can put it back into the natural stream channel. All this water goes down this natural ditch here and ends up in the Big Black River. It's cleaner than what's running down a natural ditch in the natural environment.
We're out here at R1 Lake that was built by the mine. My family and I love to come out and fish on the weekends. I have actually hold the lake record for the biggest bass caught out of the lake at 13.2 pounds, and it was caught right out on this point.
There's a big misconception that when we mine a piece of property that all the wildlife will suddenly disappear. When we're mining a piece of property, the wildlife will vacate that area that disturbance is in, but they just go into the surrounding area. Any kind of wildlife you could imagine being here before is here now.
Employee safety here at North American Coal actually begins from the time they come to work. Our culture here, it starts from the manager all the way down to the last person hired. You think about what you're doing every moment that you're out there.
Working here at Red Hills Mine has made my life better. Safety is the main goal. It gives each and every one of us the opportunity to be able to come to work, have great benefits. Family, you know, is a big deal for each and every one of us. Able to all go home safely.
You know, mining lignite requires massive machinery. It's so easy to forget that there are real people behind these machines.
Yeah, it's a lot of hands-on training with another experienced operator that's been doing it for quite some time. And then
Do you enjoy your job, Paul?
I do. I love it. I look forward to coming to work each day.
Right here in Choctaw County, Mississippi, this abundant natural resource is used to produce electricity at a nearby power plant. Roughly 440,000 homes in northeast Mississippi benefit from this low-cost, dependable electricity.
North American Coal has an amazing track record of hiring within the community and advancing those employees through the organization.
I was working at a flower shop, and I was a florist designer. I was talking to a friend, and they said, okay, well, I'll see if we have an opening or anything. So I put in an application, got an interview, and I've been here for like 6 years now.
The company has been a benefactor to a lot of different organizations. They're a proud sponsor of our local sheriff's department. Another benefit I think would be the job creation. Our unemployment numbers are relatively low compared to some of those around us, especially nationwide. They have with 202 people working there, and the company is one of the highest paying companies around here. So when they have a job opening, they get a lot of applications for it.
Yeah, North American Coal is a great place to work. We have a very good benefit package, very good compensation package. We do annual wage and hour surveys to make sure we're competitive with the industry and with the area. It's just a great place to work with a family attitude, family atmosphere. People will have a good, energized attitude when they come to work, ready to go to work and do a good job.
Thank you so much for your interest in North American Coal Corporation's Red Hills Mine. For more information, go to www.nacoal.com.